Come and me teach you Patwah now. Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patwah Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I am from Jamaica. In today's lesson, we'll talk about 105 ways to say goodbye like a Jamaican. Before we begin, the spellings of the words used in this video follow the Cassidy JLU writing system. If you're not familiar with this system, there is also a video that was done previously and posted on this channel, so you can check that out. So that's why some of the spellings of these words may seem a little strange or unfamiliar. But let's begin. Saying goodbye like a Jamaican. Little more. Me I go. Me I go away. Me I go touch the road. Me I come go away. Me I go home. Me I go me yard. Me I come go me yard. Me I go cut. Me I shove out. I eat this, you know. Alright, me I go left for now. Me will see you. Me I go take one myself. Me gone. Later. In other morrows. Walk good. Take care. Me I go make a trad. Me I go make a move. Me turn me back. Now, special mention needs to be made here of this particular one because it's usually said when you are at a dead yard and you're going to leave. So the superstition is that you don't say the other terms that you're going to leave because you don't want the duppy to follow you home. So you just say, me turn me back and you go home. Or some people just leave dead yards without saying anything, because of that superstition that the duppy are gonna follow you home, which is kind of interesting because a one duppy dead unless more than one duppy dead. Anyway, I'll figure this out and then make a video about it for you guys. Catch up on the strongs. May I flash out? Me nah tarry. Me I go do a Superman. Me I travel now. In a little bit. Little bit. Me I go forward. Me I go forward back a me yard. Me I go back a me yard.
I eat this.
Me I go rally back a me gate. Me I go touch back a me yard. Me I come go up. Me I come go down. Me I come go round. Me I come go over. Me I go make a flex. Manners. Respect. God go with you. Irie. More life, more strength. Keep strong. Cool runnings. Till we buck again. F life spear. Earlier. More time. Inna the laters. Easy. Bless. Movements. Linkage. Cool. Me I go long. Blessed love. Me I left you now. Me I go left now. Me I go left out now. Me I go do road. Me I go splurt. Me I go step. Me I go lego the ends. Me I go dip. Me I go flash. Me I go hit the breeze. Me I go make a tracks. Me I go bounce. Me I go do so. Me I go shake out. Me I go teeth out. Me I go take away myself. Me I go run left for now. Rasta love. Love Rasta. Fullness. Guidance. Jah guidance. Jah guide. Jah love. Jah roots. Roots. Heights. Higher heights. Aya heights. No watch no face. No say nothing. No say a word. Ah. Save some for later. May we catch you one next time. Say you good? Me soon come. May I go and come back? Boom. May we call you back? Ah, my boss. Will we chat? Big up yourself. When me see you? Alright.
Now, those were 105 ways to say goodbye like a Jamaican. This list isn't exhaustive, of course, so if you know any other ways to say goodbye like a Jamaican, please leave those in the comment section below. Okay, that takes us to the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. I try to upload every other day and sometimes even every day. So please hit that notification bell because that would be very helpful. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patwah vocabulary.